ever wondered if we are alone in this vast universe? A question that has sparked intrigue and curiosity throughout the ages. As we look up at the night sky, the possibility of life beyond Earth seems both tantalizing and elusive. But imagine just for a moment our Milky Way, a galaxy teeming with billions of stars, each potentially hosting its own planetary system. Could some of these distant worlds harbor life? This is not the stuff of science fiction, but the focus of cutting-edge research in the field of exoplanets. These are planets that orbit stars outside our solar system, and some of them, located in just the right position from their star, could potentially sustain life as we know it. Today, we'll journey through the cosmos, unveiling the top 10 exoplanets that might be cosmic cradles of life. Embark on an interstellar voyage to discover the most exciting exoplanets. Starting our countdown at number 10 is Kepler 442b. This intriguing exoplanet is nestled in the Goldilocks zone of its parent star. Yes, that's right, the same Goldilocks who didn't want her porridge too hot or too cold. In astronomical terms, the Goldilocks zone is that sweet spot where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Kepler 442b is about a third larger than Earth and orbits an orange dwarf star, a type of star that's cooler and less luminous than our own sun. The planet's year, the time it takes to complete one orbit around its star, is a brisk 112 Earth days. But don't let its speedy year put you off. Scientists believe that Kepler 442b has a 60% chance of being rocky, like our home planet. Kepler 442b, a promising prospect for life beyond our solar system. At number 9, we have Kepler 186f. This exoplanet, located in the habitable zone of its star, is captivating for more reasons than one. Its size is strikingly similar to Earth's, earning it the nickname of Earth's cousin. But that's not all. Kepler 186f also receives a suitable amount of light from its star, a red dwarf, which is a crucial factor when considering the potential for life. This light, less intense than our sun's, could still permit liquid water to exist on the planet's surface. Imagine an alien world, bathed in the warm reddish glow of its star, possibly teeming with life under its alien sun. However, as intriguing as Kepler 186f is, we must remember that its potential for life is still a subject of ongoing research. It's a tantalizing mystery waiting to be unraveled. Kepler 186f, a tantalizing twin of our home planet. Coming in at number 8 is TRAPPIST-1e. This intriguing exoplanet sits within a compact system of 7 planets orbiting an ultra-cool dwarf star known as TRAPPIST-1. This system is unique as all its planets are closely packed together, resembling the inner planets of our solar system. But what makes TRAPPIST-1e stand out? Well, it's right within the star's habitable zone, also called the Goldilocks zone. This means it's at just the right distance from its star to potentially hold liquid water on its surface. Imagine that. An exoplanet where you could potentially take a dip in an alien ocean. However, don't start packing your swimsuit just yet. While TRAPPIST-1e is in the habitable zone, we're still uncertain about its exact conditions. But the prospect of water and its Earth-like size make it a fascinating subject for astrobiologists and astronomers alike. TRAPPIST-1e, a potential oasis in the vast cosmos. Next up, at number 7, is Kepler 62f. This fascinating exoplanet is part of the Kepler 62 system, located about 1,200 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Lyra. Kepler 62f is a super-Earth exoplanet, meaning it's larger than our home planet but smaller than gas giants like Neptune or Uranus. This intriguing world is located within the habitable zone of its star, also known as the Goldilocks zone. This is the perfect distance from a star where it's not too hot and not too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. And where there's water, there's the potential for life. Kepler 62f is rocky, much like Earth, and although it's a bit cooler than our home planet, it could still have the right conditions to support life as we know it. So here's to Kepler 62f, a rocky wonder with potential for life. Halfway through our list, at number 6, is Proxima Centauri b. This exoplanet holds a special place in the cosmos, as it is the closest one to our own Earth. Nestled within the habitable zone of the Proxima Centauri star, this planet is a mere 4.2 light-years away. Yes, in astronomical terms, that's akin to popping over to the neighbors for a cup of tea. Proxima Centauri b's proximity to us makes it an enticing target for future exploration. Scientists believe it could teach us a great deal about exoplanetary atmospheres and potentially the existence of life beyond our world. With current technology, a journey to this exoplanet would take tens of thousands of years. But who knows what the future holds? In the grand cosmic scheme, our next-door neighbor awaits, ripe with potential and mystery. After all, sometimes what we seek is closer than we think. Proxima Centauri b, our closest exoplanet neighbor. At number 5, we have Kepler 22b. This exoplanet takes us on a journey to a place where everything is supersized. Kepler 22b is a super-Earth, an exoplanet with a radius around 2.4 times that of our home planet. It's nestled comfortably within its star's habitable zone, the region where conditions might be just right for life as we know it. Kepler 22b orbits a star similar to our Sun, but it does so at a slightly closer distance, taking 290 days to complete one orbit, pretty close to our own year length. However, despite its Earth-like orbit, its larger size could mean a very different environment to what we're used to. Scientists suspect that Kepler 22b might be covered in oceans with a thick, steamy atmosphere. While we don't know for sure if this super-Earth could support life, it definitely offers tantalizing possibilities for future exploration. Kepler 22b, a super-Earth with intriguing potential. Coming in at number 4 is Kepler 62e. A fascinating member of the Kepler 62 system, this exoplanet is approximately 60% larger than Earth, leading some to dub it a super-Earth. But it's not just its size that piques our interest. Kepler 62e is located in the habitable zone of its star, the region where conditions might be just right for liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it, to exist. This exoplanet is a close neighbor to its star, a position that could have intriguing implications. It orbits its star much closer than Earth does the Sun, resulting in a year that lasts just 122 Earth days. This close proximity could mean a warm, possibly even tropical climate across much of the planet, but of course further study is needed to confirm these possibilities. Kepler 62e, a close neighbor to its star with potential for life. At number 3, we have Kepler 1652b. Now this is an exoplanet that wraps itself in an aura of mystery. Kepler 1652b resides in what we know as the habitable zone, otherwise known as the Goldilocks zone. This is the region around a star where the conditions might be just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. What makes Kepler 1652b particularly interesting is the tantalizing potential for life it holds despite the limited information we currently have at our disposal. Its location in the habitable zone alone is enough to spark our curiosity and fuel our imagination. Could it be home to some form of life? Could it be a future destination for our space exploration? These are questions that remain unanswered, but the possibility is enticing. Kepler 1652b, a mysterious yet intriguing exoplanet. And finally at number 2 is Kepler 283c. This celestial body is an exoplanet located in the habitable zone of its star, Kepler 283. It's a world that fascinates scientists due to its potential for hosting life. Kepler 283c is a super-Earth, meaning it's larger than our home planet, but smaller than the giants of our solar system. Despite its larger size, it orbits its star at a distance that could allow it to possess liquid water, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. The planet's star, Kepler 283, is a Type K star, cooler and smaller than our Sun, but still capable of supporting a planet in its habitable zone. The exoplanet's location in the habitable zone is not the only intriguing aspect. Its composition also sparks interest. Although we don't know for sure, it's possible that Kepler 283c has a rocky terrain, similar to Earth. Kepler 283c, a promising exoplanet that deserves further exploration. And there you have it, the top 10 promising exoplanets in the search for life beyond Earth. From the rocky terrains of Kepler 442b to the intriguing potential of Kepler 283c, each of these cosmic bodies holds a wealth of mysteries waiting to be unlocked. They beckon us to venture beyond our own solar system, to explore the unfathomable depths of the cosmos. These celestial bodies remind us that we are but a tiny part of a vast, intricate web of galaxies, stars, and planets. They challenge us to broaden our horizons, to question our place in the universe, to dare to dream of what lies beyond our own blue planet. So whether you're a seasoned space enthusiast or a novice stargazer, remember to keep your eyes on the skies. There's a whole universe out there waiting to be explored. Until next time, keep looking up and let the search continue.